Hi, it's Cameron here with the SMG 2000XA Busbar Processing Station. A great all-in-one solution for processing busbar. This unit has capabilities of cutting, punching and bending busbar, as well as an additional output for attaching other optional accessories. Its compact portable design makes it easy to manoeuvre around the workshop. A selector handle making it easy to change between different operations. A roving foot pedal for easy operation of each station. This all-in-one design reduces workshop space requirements and increases production efficiency. When using the cutting station, place the bar into the shear, adjust the side supports to centralise the bar, then set the back gauge position to the required length you'd like to cut. Push the bar through to the back gauge, then use the foot pedal to start the cut. When punching, the first thing you should do is adjust the stripper bars on the side so they're just above the material. This reduces the chance of the punch breaking when it returns. Then adjust the material to the required position and use the foot pedal to punch the hole. For bending, place the bar into the station, inch down to align the material. Once the material is aligned into position, commence the bending. For your processing requirements, you should consider the SMG 2000XA. You can buy online or you can contact us for more information.